Okay, we're going to do an oil change in a 1974 40 horsepower Evinrude. Okay, so change the lower gear oil. Right, we got a kit stock Amazon. Comes with some Evinrude Johnson high performance gear case lubricant. A little pump. And it looks like the end of the pump just screws in the bottom here. There's a screw to undo underneath. So we need a big flathead screwdriver. Now, hopefully that can go under there to get that. And something for the oil to drain into. And, oops, I also have this, thanks. It's a couple of the gaskets that go around these. Hopefully it's the right size, I'm not exactly sure. Anyway, we're going to see if this is how this oil is doing. If there's any oil in there, actually. We really haven't run this very much. So there's not much dripping out, but I think it's the reason is we have to undo this top one to let the air come out. So let's see what happens when we undo the top one here. This might come out a lot faster. Oh, there we go. That's better. Now we got a steady stream of oil. Oops. Thank you very much. Oh, I left that screw in there. Eee, take them out. So it was a little dark gray at the beginning, and then it's kind of a blue oil. I don't know if that's the right kind that was in there. Put our screws in our box so I don't lose them. So that's the screw, and this is the little fiber thing. Not sure if I can get it off there or not. Maybe with the screwdriver it would come off easier. There we go. It's really stuck on there. Could probably reuse these, but since I bought one, I'll just use it, right? Okay, it looks like that's finished draining, so I'm going to screw this in here. Okay, so that's tight in there now. I screwed that in. And the other pump side, I guess, just goes in the this. I'll start pumping. I'll pump this in till it comes out the top. Oh boy, it's taking a while. good. Yeah, that's coming out. So I can put this back in. Alright, and I gotta put the bottom one in pretty quickly to take this out. Now it's just dripping off the side there. Which way's the right way? Looks like it's tight. Okay, this is loose. There we go. And that is that. Okay, it looks like there's about half a can left, so there's probably enough for the next time. I looked in the owner's manual, and I think it says every 3 years, so to change this. Let's see if we can pump it back in there. Thanks, Theo.
Gonna go to Edwards.
Alright. Yeah, that's right. Okay. There we go. So I'm just going to stick the excess oil in a empty canister and drop it off at the recycling depot.